G'day guys, welcome back to Rush Truck Trophy Truck Build Part 15. So today we're just going to talk about the arms that already come assembled. So they're already TIG welded in your pack when you get the flat pack. So you get your bottom two arms, you got your top two arms, then you've got your uprights as well. So with your arms, once they're all welded, because there's a lot involved with these arms, getting all the inner plates and setting it up on a jig and making sure everything's straight. So if you ever have an accident down the track and you need another arm, these arms will fit into every truck, so it fits in perfect. That's why we set it up on the jig. So a couple of bushes when we're putting them in. These are your uni balls that you'll get for your bottom and top arms, each uni balls. You've got these bushes here for the inner pivots, your heims. We've got all the numbers and everything, so it's on the website and in the pack of what either heim joint or bush part number or high miss spacer. All the measurements and spaces are there, so it makes it easy. You just have to ring up, order the right part, and it all fits. So with this one, we just press these bushes in. This one here goes in. I've made it so it goes in a little bit easier. So you just pop them in like that. There you've got your inner sleeves. These inner sleeves are what you use when you're making your bottom suspension tabs in the front and rear to get your spacings right, so you know they're the right spacings. Go in there like that. Just to get that spot on there. Now when it comes to putting in your heim joints and your uni balls, it's totally up to you. Everyone's going to put their truck together differently. Everyone has put their cars together differently. We just use a little bit of Never-Seez, and again, there's all different types you can get, so it's totally up to you. But we just put a splash of that on the inside with our top arms. We just put it up in there in the thread there. It has a pinch bolt as well that we use as well. But this Never-Seez is fantastic. It keeps the water out, or a lot of it out, and next time when you go to thread them out to replace them, and especially these uni balls, because they take a bit of whacking to get in there or a bit of pressing to get in there, and it just slides out pretty easy. So once you've got your uni balls in, on the top arm you can put it in, and they can go in either way, the uni balls. It doesn't matter which way you press them in. You get these little circlips that come with it, and they just go in like that. And just make sure that it's nice seated in there. So you got your uni ball pressed in nice and hard, and there's a little lip in there, and that cannot come out. So it's nice and solid in there. These heim joints for your top arms, again we put a bit of Never-Seez in. Now thread them in, and the distances when you go to thread it in, depending on how we set up our geometry, and that's going to be in another stage. So just thread them in about halfway, and they're even, and then we'll run the tape measure, and we've got a little digital gauge as well to set up our geometry. So that's pretty much it for the front arms, and then the next video we're going to do is actually sliding the arms into place, bolting them up, setting your uprights, and then we work out all the geometry, which is the cool part, because it gets it spot on for this front end, which makes it work so well. So thanks for watching. You can check out more on www.rushtruck.com.au, and we'll see you on the next episode when we put this together.